and it's just going to be great. So let's get into seeing what we picked up at the expo today. All right, so this is our haul from the 2020 Reptile Expo. We got a bunch of cork bark here. These two pieces I got for mine, and these are for Ashley's animal, which we will get to in just a moment. We got like a little hide here, some water dishes. These two are mine. This one is for Ashley's creature. Again, you'll see in a moment. And we stopped by the Dollar Tree and get some flowers so Ashley could have some decor for her creature, which you'll see in a moment. And some substrate with some moss, which all these items actually came inside of this tank here, which is something that Ashley picked up for her animal, which you'll see in a moment. And I picked up myself some green anoles. I'm not sure what I'm doing with these yet. Maybe I'll keep them for breeding, but I got them because I know for a fact that Beetlejuice eats them. But I also got some live quail chicks, and I have already put them in with Beetlejuice, and I guess I'll go back tomorrow and see if he's actually eating them or not. And if not, then we're back to the anoles, but I have them just in case. And last but not least, let's see the lovely creature that Ashley picked up today, which is right here. Can we see you? Oh, it's foggy on that side. Look it's a white tree frog. We kept calling it a white tree frog, and it's white's. It's
yeah,
white's tree frog.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think that's like based off of the individual who discovered the species. But he's super cute. Look at him.
Thank you, baby.
Yeah, so this is what I treated Ashley to as a gift because she is super interested in this species, and it would have been very sad to walk away from the expo without actually getting an animal. So we got Ashley a white tree frog, and it's super cute. And so she's got all this lovely stuff here to set up a nice enclosure for her tree frog, which we're about to set up and do here in a minute. So now that we talked about all that, I do want to say one last thing that I am planning. As you can see here, I have some tarantula substrate. These cork bark pieces are going to be going inside of this thing. This thing here, it's time to upgrade Yzma, my pink toe tarantula. As you can see, she is way bit big for this, so it's time for her to get upgraded, and I'm thinking about upgrading her into this. Not thinking about it, I'm doing it. So I'm going to get the sticker thing off, get some substrate in there, set it all up nice, and get her upgraded. So that's another video that's coming our way. I'm super excited to sit here with Ashley real quick and get her new tree frogs enclosure all set up. It's going to be great. Again, a big shout out to my friends from Game of Morph. You guys rock. Thank you so much for showing me love today at the expo. I hope you guys enjoyed all that footage from the expo, and I hope to bring you guys every expo for the rest of this year. Not a promise, but that's something I would like to do. All right, and we are back again at Tavian's World of Reptiles, and we are still here. We are getting ready to set up this little cutie's enclosure. Ashley's very first frog, second herp. I'm so excited for this. Went from one snake to now a frog. Lola,
Quiet.
Lola disapproves.
Good girl. I'm not replacing you, baby girl. You're still my favorite girl. All my herps are boys.
She's like, how dare you bring more animals into this house? How dare you? Huh, Lola.
So I'm going to try to just expand this in the tank, I think.
Yes, I have definitely seen people just like put the whole brick in there,
but
pour the water.
7 to 8 liters. I don't know that.
I would just start off with like have water. It says.
No, that's how much substrate
it makes
when it's done.
Yeah. Okay.
Which is like twice this kind of size.
Yeah. Well, we'll see. If it expands that big, we can just scoop some out, put it in another thing. But since it's a perfect thing to actually just expand it in, we should just leave it.
I can't. Gosh, this thing is like solid brick. Can't believe it turns into
it expands pretty good.
There you are. Gosh, he needs a name. Pumbaa. Kronk. So it says to add.
All right, and we are back again at Tavian's World of Reptiles, and we are still here. We are getting ready to set up this little cutie's enclosure. Ashley's very first frog, second herp. I'm so excited for this. Like, went from one snake to now a frog. Lola,
Lola, quiet.
Lola disapproves. Lola disapproves.
Good girl. I'm not replacing you, baby girl. You're still my favorite girl. All my herps are boys.
She's like, how dare you bring more animals into this house? How dare you? Huh, Lola?
So I'm going to try to just expand this in the tank, I think.
Yes, I have definitely seen people just like put the whole brick in there,
but it does
pour
say
the water.
7 to 8 liters. I don't know that.
I would just start off with like have water. It says.
No, that's how much substrate
it makes
when it's done.
Yeah. Okay.
Which is like twice this kind of size.
Yeah. Well, we'll see. We'll see if it expands that big, we can just scoop some out, put it in another thing. But since it's a perfect thing to actually just expand it in, we should just leave it.
I can't. Gosh, this thing is like solid brick.
Mm-hmm.
Can't believe it turns into
It expands pretty good.
There you are. Gosh, he needs a name. Pumbaa. Kronk. So it says to add out. Nice. Is this towel good for wiping hands?
Yeah.
Let's go out first with.
So you just washed off your water bowl. What did you wash out your water bowl with?
Spring water.
Why did you not use water from the sink?
Because it might have chlorine in it, and with tap water, that needs to sit for at least 48 hours to aerate, so it doesn't have chlorine in it anymore.
For sure.
Because that is not good for froggies.
That's a nice,
and
good water
you're also
bowl.
not supposed to use distilled water, which I learned today.
Nice.
And in the right water.
It's because the distilled water takes out some of the more important minerals that are actually in water. Sweet. That is a big water dish.
It really is, but it's actually smaller than the when I was doing the research, smaller than the recommended for an adult. Saw this guy. I wanted to see him outside of the little box because it was really foggy. The second that she opened the lid, he just hopped right out. So I need a strategy for getting him in here without losing him. Step 1, get the dog in the room.
Yep.
Come on, Lola. Come on, Lola B. No frogs for dinner for you tonight. Come on. Okay. So what I'm going to do for strategy is put this in there and then go in from the top and open the lid.
Okay.
Let him hop out and then.
I think that works.
Yeah.
Yeah, like put it, like stick it like right here or something.
Yeah, I'm gonna just stick it right here, and then while he's exploring, I will go in and.
That might be a little bit more complicated than you think.
Yeah, okay. So what I need is for the whole thing to be closer to me, and I'm going to have to move it once he's in there.
I think if you just like open the door
Mm-hmm.
and get your hands all washed,
Yeah.
open the door, open the lid, and then just kind of use your finger to like open the lid while it's in there. If he does hop, he's hopping right out into it. Otherwise, you can just kind of use your finger to like show him like he can come out and.
Yeah. Oh, he's not gonna need help coming out.
Okay. So yeah, just open the door, get him up in there, and then open the lid to this, and I think that's how it'll work.
Yeah. Then I'm actually going to fill the spray bottle up with his water next. Because I need to spray my hands before I touch him, if I do need to touch him.
Yeah.
There we go. So I'm spraying my hands in case I have to touch him. And this is with safe water for him. Okay. Here we go, buddy.
Get. Oh, he's so ready.
Oops. Put that back in. There you go, bud. You have to go that way. You have to go this way.
All right,
Come on.
go.
Come on, bud. Go on. Go on.
There it is. There we go.
Oh my god.
Squish. And squish. Look at that belly. There you have it. There's Ashley's brand new frog in his brand new home. Looking good.
Oh my god, he's so cute.
He is super cute. Ashley has not come up with a name for him yet, and we don't know if she will before the end of the night. But if you have any name suggestions for this cutie, drop it in the comments. Help her figure out something. Give her something to even go off of. And then we will update you later on what name she chooses. So that is all, you guys. Love yourselves. Love your loved ones. Love your reptiles. You guys keep spreading those herps.